What's going on, guys? We're in Cimarron today. I'm about to go fish the Cimarron River down there, as you can see. But hell yeah, daily adventures, let's get it. You just gotta love Colorado for all these places you can just kind of randomly turn off and end up like this. Pretty freaking amazing. But wow, this whole stretch looks amazing to fish. And yeah, maybe we'll see if any spiritual sort of thoughts come out. As always, I'll be sure to share those with you guys. Catch you in a bit. You know, things are becoming so crazy, so complicated in today's world. And I think if there's one time when more and more people should go fishing, it's right now. We need to return to Mother Nature as a species. Everybody needs this. I don't care how much of a nature person you are or not. Everybody needs nature. It's in our DNA. And it's how we return to default, which is what humanity needs right now. All right, we're making our way to our next spot. A little bit of waiting to do, but I think it'll be worth it. Decent drift here, actually. Might be all right. Maybe some of you all fellow awakened souls resonate with this. But you know, earlier on in my awakening journey, a lot of it was about meditation, meditation, meditation. And it's not like any of that has stopped. I'm about 5 years in. But I will say the biggest thing that has changed through that process is that life itself has become the meditation. And meditation is so integrated into how I live and how I exist that, you know, on a day-to-day basis, it's a new meditation. That doesn't mean that it's always calm and peaceful and effortless, but it does mean that even though I go through chaotic times still, there's still an inner Zen within. And that's something that I will never, ever, ever let go of, and neither should you. Check this out, guys. This is pretty cool. You can see the clouds right there. That's how you know we're in the mountains. Hell yeah. So I'm running a squirming worm as an attractor. Don't judge me. And I also got a brown jujubatus. It's all caddis right now. All caddis. So let's see if we can get some. Oh, he's coming in. Got one on. It's a really nice bull trout, I think. You can see him there. Oh yeah. Super good one. Take our time. All right, let's get him over here. This might be a lake trout. What the heck? What is this? Come on over here. Ah, got him. Oh, look at that. What the heck is this? Is this a lake trout? I think that's a lake trout, guys. That's weird. Or maybe it's a hybrid? Huh. Interesting looking fish. Let's get him back in. A nice release. There he goes. Huh. Very interesting, but this wind just picked up. Oh, I'm so happy to catch that fish though. What's up, guys? We just made it back home. Caught a couple good fish, but the highlight of the day was definitely whatever that trout was. I'm still kind of back and forth on whether or not it was a bull trout of some sort, a lake trout, or some sort of hybrid. You know, it's hard to tell. It was just a very strange looking fish. So if you guys know what that is, definitely let me know in the comments. But hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you have a good rest of your day. Namaste. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.